Hello, this is the low-carb version of Nigerian Abacha. If you look closely at the full option Abacha recipe that I uploaded recently, you will notice that the meal contains just one ingredient that is full of carbs, that is Abacha. To get the low-carb version, simply replace the Abacha with cucumber to get cucumber African salad, and you will hardly notice any difference in the taste, trust me. Here are the ingredients you will need. These are the exact quantities that I used. You will see the quantity of palm oil and others later. First, we peel the cucumber and remove the seeds. Use a grater to grate it like Abacha. I'll be using this grater that I used to grate Abacha in one of my previous videos. When done, put it in a sieve so that the water can drain out. Cucumber contains lots of water. Mix the edible potash with a small quantity of water. Baking soda is a great alternative if you do not have edible potash. Prepare the rest of the ingredients like shown here. Pour the palm oil into a sizable bowl. If yours is congealed, melt it. Pour the edible potash solution, making sure not to pour the sediments at the bottom. Stir and watch the palm oil thicken and turn yellow. Add the rest of the ingredients as shown. Stir very well till everything is incorporated. You can serve it cold like this, or you can warm it up a little bit. Use high heat for 2 minutes max and it's done. You can eat it on its own or with any Nigerian staple food. I enjoyed mine with achịcha ede. If you are on a low-carb diet, of course, achịcha ede is not good for you. Recipe for achịcha ede coming up soon. Enjoy the recipe and tag all Nigerian recipes when you prepare it. Bye! See you soon!